Hello YouTube. So today playing Midnight Snack, a kind of silly looking horror game. I don't know, this background looks pretty good though. I'm excited. Made with Unity. We all love Unity. Microwave. Is the sound on? Oh, it is. There's just no music. Ding! Lately, I've been waking up in the dead of night, haunted by the same recurring dream. I'm so hungry. I'll heat up something in the middle. I'll heat something up in the microwave. I can talk. We gotta heat something up in the microwave. Okay. Wow, I can just keep turning this forever. Max out the timer. Oh my goodness, is it gonna go like 20 times now? Okay, good. What? Why is that the pause button? I thought that would open the microwave. Gotcha. We have to look around and we can move around with the turning on the microwave button. Dial, I guess. Nice. That is awesome. I see. So we gotta go over there. Nice. And I cannot look around and move around at the same time. I can only look and then move and then look. Separate functions. There we go. Didn't quite make that corner there. Nice. Oh, what is on the ground right there? Some vegetables of some type, it looks like. The outside. Oh my goodness. Prepare to touch grass. Very nice. I like the mushrooms. This looks very nice. I love this environment. But I guess we gotta go from open spot to open spot. Like the street light to the street light. Is that Valentine's Day chocolates? Some sad story, potentially, behind how those got there. This movement system is so unusual. I love it so much. Silverware under this one? First one had chocolate, and this one has silverware. Have to navigate around these rocks. Nice. Alright, where to now? Oh, okay. I guess I go over there now. To the spooky streetlight. It's spooky because it's blinking. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness. I've been thwarted. The log in the darkness stopped my progression. Go. Oh, there's eyes in the forest. right. I can't help but have a bad feeling that there's something behind me. I'm gonna turn around. Nope. There's nothing there. Looks fine. Alright, keep going. I can clearly see there's a knife in the wall up ahead with a bunch of blood. That is a fantastic sign. Only good things happen there. Wow, that knife is really embedded in there. Alright, looks like we're gonna fall down into this hole because that's what the game wants. Oh. I see, now we're doing the same thing as before, but now it's all black and white. This is awesome. This is definitely the part that we're gonna get chased at, right? Probably shouldn't have ran into that wall. Really gotta be careful which way I'm looking before I set the timer of movement. The spooky light. Red. Nope, I don't see anyone chasing me. Alright, let's go to the spooky light. Looks awesome. Where's the monster at? Ah, I see, I need to go that way. Something wicked this way comes. Oh no, we gotta move it now. This is the chase. I can hear it behind me. I think. Which way am I supposed to go now? This way. You can hear the footsteps. Faster, microwave. Faster, microwave. Keep going. Those footsteps are very ominous. Keep going. Oh, I'm gonna run into the wall. No. Turn. Yes, I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna turn around. I think we'll play this again and purposely die to see what happens. I think we made it to the kitchen in the forest for some reason. Sweet. That is a heart in the microwave. Why are we eating that? What? Ding! Reached the kitchen. Nice. Well, I know there were 4 achievements, and I definitely didn't get all of them. Something wicked devoured you. Spin around. What? Alright. Those will be easy. Spin around. Yeah! That was an easy achievement. I'm gonna move into the more black and white area too, so that the monster doesn't look all red. Alright, now let's see the monster as it devours us and we die and get the final achievement. Oh. Wow, it's really slow. The footsteps are not on track with how it moves. It's huge. Hello. Gasp. Nice, that was awesome. I enjoyed that game a lot. As usual, with the games I play, this game is free on Steam. You should check it out. 210 reviews, 86% positive. I can see why. It has such a unique mechanic. It is just all about the movement, looking around, moving around with the dials of a microwave. How weird, how odd. Very simple and works really well. Very short game. It doesn't overstay its welcome. But yeah, you enjoyed me watching it. You'd probably enjoy playing it. Go ahead and check it out. And thank you very much. I'll see you next time.